Hello everyone. Please listen to a touching story titled Love. This story speaks about the power of true love. It shows how love can give strength to a person who feels lost in darkness, and how one man refused to give up on the woman he loved, even when life seemed unfair and difficult. Sometimes love is not about beauty, comfort, or easy happiness. Sometimes love is about standing beside someone when life becomes painful and uncertain. It is about choosing to stay even when leaving would be easier. This is the story of a young woman named Emily Carter and a young man named Daniel Ross. Several years ago, Emily was a cheerful and energetic young woman. She loved music, books, and long walks in the park. She worked in a small library and enjoyed helping people find good books to read. Emily had been dating Daniel for almost 3 years. Daniel was a young military officer, strong and determined, but also gentle and caring. Everyone who knew them believed they would someday marry. They shared many dreams together. They often spoke about traveling, building a small house, and raising a happy family. But one terrible day, everything changed. Emily began to feel pain in her eyes and headaches that would not go away. She visited a doctor named Dr. Harris after examining her. The doctor gave her medicine and said the problem was simple. "It is nothing serious," he said. "Just follow the treatment." Emily trusted him. But the diagnosis was wrong. Weeks passed, and her condition became worse. One morning she woke up and realized she could not see clearly. The world looked dark and blurred. Soon after, everything went black. Emily had lost her sight. When another doctor later examined her, he shook his head sadly. "If the correct treatment had been given earlier," he said quietly, "her eyesight might have been saved." Emily felt as if her entire world had collapsed. She stayed in her room for many days. She refused to meet friends or leave the house. She often cried and said bitterly, "My life is finished." But Daniel refused to leave her side. Every day he came to visit. He held her hand and spoke to her gently. "You are still the same, Emily," he told her. But Emily did not believe him. One evening she spoke with a broken voice. "Daniel, you should forget about me." Daniel looked surprised. "What do you mean?" "I am blind now," she said quietly. "You deserve a better life." Daniel shook his head firmly. "I love you." Emily tried to push him away. "You don't understand. Life with me will be hard. I cannot see. I will need help for everything." Daniel answered calmly, "Then I will help you." But Emily continued to resist. "You will suffer because of me." Daniel smiled softly. Love is not about avoiding suffering. Love is about staying together. However, not everyone supported Daniel's decision. His mother, Mrs. Ross, was worried. One evening, she spoke seriously with him. "Daniel, she said. You are young. Your future is bright. Why tie your life to someone who cannot see? His older brother Michael also tried to persuade him. Think carefully, Michael said. Marriage requires responsibility. Life will be difficult. Daniel listened patiently. But his answer never changed. I love Emily, he said simply. His father looked at him quietly and finally asked, Are you sure about this choice? Daniel nodded. Yes, even if life becomes harder. Yes, even if people criticize you. Yes, his father looked at him with respect. Then follow your heart, he said. Meanwhile, Emily was still struggling to accept her new life. Simple tasks had become difficult. Walking outside frightened her. Crossing the street felt dangerous. She could no longer work at the library. She felt useless and helpless. But Daniel began to help her slowly rebuild her confidence. First, he helped her find a job for visually impaired people at a community center. Emily was afraid. How will I go to work? She asked. Daniel smiled. I will help you. At first, Daniel drove her to work every morning. But after a few days, he realized something important. If Emily wanted to live independently, she needed to learn how to travel alone. One evening, he spoke gently to her, Emily. Tomorrow, we will try something new. What? She asked nervously. We will take the bus. Emily became frightened. I cannot do that. Daniel held her hand. I will go with you the next morning. They stood together at the bus stop. Emily listened carefully to the sounds around her, the cars, the wind, the voices of people. Daniel guided her step by step. For 2 weeks, Daniel rode the bus with her every morning and every afternoon. He showed her how to count the stops. He taught her how to recognize places by sounds and smells. He introduced her to the bus driver, Mr. Lewis, and said, Please watch over her if you can. Mr. Lewis nodded warmly. Of course. Day after day, Emily became more confident. She began to walk more steadily. She learned how to listen carefully to the world around her. One evening, she told Daniel, I think I can take the bus alone now. Daniel smiled, but inside his heart he still worried. The next morning, they left the house together. At the bus stop, they stood quietly. Emily boarded the bus. Daniel remained behind. But Emily did not know something important. Daniel still followed her every morning. He drove his car behind the bus. When she stepped off the bus near her office, Daniel parked his car across the street. He watched carefully until she entered the building safely. Then he drove away. He did this every day. Weeks passed. Emily felt proud of herself. One morning, she boarded the bus and greeted Mr. Lewis. When she paid her fare, the driver suddenly said, You know, I envy you. Emily looked surprised. Why would you envy me? Mr. Lewis laughed softly. Because you are loved. Emily frowned slightly. What do you mean? For several weeks, I have seen a young man in a military uniform following the bus every morning. Emily's heart began to beat faster. He stands across the street, watching you walk to work, the driver continued. He waits until you enter the building safely, and then he waves goodbye before driving away. Emily felt tears forming in her eyes. Who is he? She asked quietly. The driver smiled. I believe you know him very well. Emily understood immediately. Daniel. The man who never stopped protecting her. The man who refused to abandon her. The man who believed in her strength even when she did not believe in herself. That evening, Emily waited outside her house. When Daniel arrived, she spoke softly. Daniel. I know. Daniel looked confused. Know what? You follow the bus every morning. Daniel looked embarrassed. I just wanted to make sure you were safe. Emily reached out and held his hands. Why do you love me so much? She asked through tears. Daniel answered simply. Because love does not disappear when life becomes difficult. Emily cried quietly. For the first time since losing her sight, she felt light inside her heart. She realized something important. Even though she could no longer see the world with her eyes, she could still feel something brighter than light. She could feel love, and love was stronger than darkness. Thank you for watching and listening to the meaningful story Love. We hope this story helps you understand the true power of love and also helps you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share to support our channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos soon.